How to fix Hey Siri not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial, and the first and foremost thing that you can do to fix this is go to Settings. In Settings, tap on Accessibility. Scroll down and you will see an option for sound recognition. Tap on that and make sure the toggle button for sound recognition is toggled off. Go back and tap on Screen Time now. You will see the option for content and privacy restrictions. Toggle on the button for content and privacy restrictions and now tap on Allowed Apps. You will see the option for Siri and dictation. Toggle on the button for Siri and dictation. Now go back to Settings and enable airplane mode for a minute or two and then disable it again and see if your problem is fixed. If not, scroll down and search for the Siri and search option and enable all the options in here. Go back and now go to General again and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted, so you do not have to worry about that. Lastly, to fix this issue, you can restart your device. To restart, press the volume up button and the power button together. Wait for a minute or two and restart your device again. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.